Good morning, everyone. So it is 8:25 a.m. I'm getting ready to bring Carter to preschool. He goes 2 days a week for 2 hours, and it's just been amazing. He's learned so much, he's talking so much more, and it gives me time to be able to edit my vlogs and stuff like that. So that's what's going on, and I have a lot of stuff to do today, so we'll see how much I actually accomplish. I still need to make my list. Berber's too little for school. Yeah, you're right, Bubbies. Too little. Okay. Becca, walk. Good job.
Yeah.
Oh. Let's just do your hair real quick, okay?
No.
You don't want to do your hair today?
My hat.
We can't wear hats at school. There's a walker. Get boop. Boop. Good try, though.
I'm not like there.
What, babes?
I don't like my hair done.
You don't want your hair done?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to have it done. You don't want to wear hairspray, you don't have to. Good, Tanner. No more rain. Rain, go away. Hopefully it stays like that and it can get nice and sunny out. Here you go, Tan. Here you go. Pinky. The arm. Okay. One baby in. Is the next baby ready? Now you. Come on, sweetie. Hurry up. Come on, Pooh. It's so big.
Yeah.
Are you super big?
No.
You got super muscles?
I'm big than mommy.
You're almost bigger than mommy, huh? Sorry, baby. What is that? Toothpaste?
Yeah.
How's that? Good?
Good.
I love you.
What's that sound like?
Mwah.
What's that sound like?
It sounds like someone's putting their garbage out.
Wanna see that?
Do you think Tanner's pooping right? Yeah, he's definitely pooping. Just great.
I'm peeing.
You're peeing?
Yeah.
Oh. Lovely. When are you gonna start going in the potty?
No.
You don't know? Are you gonna try it?
No.
Why not?
No poopy in my body.
Hi, how can I help you? Hi, can I please have a venti unsweetened passion fruit tea?
Anything else?
Can I just have one sugar packet with that?
All right, $3.45.
Thanks. Thank you.
Great day.
You too.
Go, bye-bye.
Yes, now we can go to school, okay? Okay, so Tanner and I just got home. He fell asleep in the car, and usually I just transfer him right to his crib, but he pooped through his jeans all the way down to his socks. So clearly I had to wake him up to change everything, but he's back down now. I actually have to finish a cleaning video that I started yesterday, and it just took me forever because I was cleaning out like my closet and all of my clothes and organizing my room. So I just have a couple more things to finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and probably try and edit while he's napping before I have to pick up Carter. Okay, so I'm finally done with the video, but I didn't get to edit it or anything yet, but I just got an email about that I have a DNA match, and I know like a lot of you follow me on Instagram already, so you know that I shared my, I did the MyHeritage DNA, and it was really, really cool. I found out, let me just go ahead and show you. I am 40.1% English, 36.9% Irish, Scottish, and Welsh, 15.8% Baltic, 3.9% North African, and 3 more ethnicities. So I thought this was really cool, and I'm gonna have a link for you down below to get free shipping, but this is like the first time I've ever done one of these DNA things, and I really want Chris to do it because growing up, I always just knew I was a mutt. I never knew like exactly what I was, and for this all I had to do was like swab the inside of my cheek and then send it off, and then I think I got it like maybe like 3 weeks later I got the results in, but it was really cool. And what's different about MyHeritage is that they show 42 different ethnicities. Like, they have that in their system, where a lot of other of the DNA companies like this, they don't have that. So it's really cool, and I really want to get Chris's done, so then we could just like tell the kids. Like, I'm sure we could probably swab their cheeks as well. I wonder if they'll let me. But anyway, you can get free shipping with the code BEAUTY and the Beastons. This is also just another breakdown of it, so you can see Europe, Africa, and Asia. That's really cool. I wish I could still like learn more about like my ethnicity. I'm glad I know like what percentage of everything I am, but at the same time I still feel like I know nothing about it. But I definitely want to look into it and be able to like tell our kids what they are. Okay, so I just came to pick Carter up. I'm waiting for them to open the doors, but I also just ate this bag of barbecue chips in about under 20 seconds. I'm so hungry lately. I turned 22 weeks pregnant this week, and I'm just starving all the time. But also I wanted to share with you guys, these little pouches are from Aldi, and they're only like 60 something cents or 70 cents. I know, Bubba's. And they're organic, and you can see through them, which I really like. But a lot of people don't know about these, but when I go there, since they're so inexpensive, I buy like at least 20 at a time for the boys, because they have one at least once a day. So mom hack. Tanner says, did you have a beautiful day at school, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love my pictures that you made me. Hi. Okay guys, we are at Home Depot. Mommy's crazy, huh? To bring 2 toddlers to Home Depot. I got them Chick-fil-A. I also downed a medium french fry with barbecue sauce on it. But hopefully I'll make up for it with dinner tonight. But like I said, I'm so hungry all the time lately. But I got them Chick-fil-A, so my hopes are that they'll eat Chick-fil-A sitting in the cart like a good boy, right? Right?
No.
Yes.
No.
What color should we paint Ella's room?
White.
White? Alright.
Mommy white.
Mommy likes what color?
Pink.
Pink. Yep. How you doing, guys? You guys are being the best boys in the whole world. Chick-fil-A keeping them quiet though. That's my boy. My other boy. Stay awake, stay awake, stay awake. Carter, no sleeping in the car. No, wake up.
No.
Carter, wake up, we're almost home. We're almost home. Please, I need you to nap with your brother. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, so the boys are in their cribs. Hopefully they nap. I'm going to finish editing my cleaning video. The worst part of that is finding music. It's so hard to find music on YouTube. But I try to find good music for you guys, I promise. And also, I'm caught up on Teen Mom. I'm caught up on Southern Charm. Caught up on Vanderpump Rules. And I'm caught up on Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. So back to watching Pioneer Woman during nap. I swear today is the weirdest day. It's 4:42 and Carter never napped. And Tanner did nap. He took actually a long nap. And right now they're having some snacks and watching TV. But like, I don't know if anybody else's kid does this, but like literally if they fall asleep for 1 minute in the car, they're like, okay, I'm good for the day, Mom. So now I'm mad that I went to Home Depot. Although I'm glad I did get Ella's nursery paint, but hopefully it doesn't like mess up his sleep for tonight, because sometimes if he doesn't nap, he actually sleeps worse at night. So yeah, we're in the playroom now, and Carter just bought me some coffee. Thank you so much. Veggie pizza, thank you. That's my favorite. I wish this was real, because I would really love some veggie pizza right now. Are the cutest minion I've ever seen. What's your name, Minion?
Nana.
Your name's Nana?
Nana.
Nana?
Nana.
Can I have a kiss, Nana?
Nana.
Is that a no? What are you having for dinner tonight? You You're having food for dinner? Oh. Are you saying that's what my cooking tastes like?
Yeah.
What? What are you really having? It's already 6:05 and I'm wondering why it's taking so long for the water to boil. Well, it's on the wrong burner, so it's not really gonna work like that. No pants, little boy. Oh, hi. Goody. Eat you up. Can you say prayer?
God is good, Anna. God is good, Anna. Amen.
Good job, baby. Amen. Amen. You guys know my kids only eat macaroni and cheese for dinner nowadays, right? Right, Carter? Do you ever eat anything else for dinner? What else do you eat for dinner? You eat chicken nuggets? What else? Pasta and what else? What? You eat fruit snacks for dinner?
Yeah.
You wish. One clean baby.
Oh, no.
I look like a blonde Amy Winehouse. I'm sweating.
Oh,
We got another clean baby.
no.
Are you dirty?
Yeah.
You smell clean.
I'm so sugar. What does that sound
I
like?
think it sounds like Carter kissing Dad.
What? How rude.
Come on, give me one of those big smackaroos.
One, two, three. Oh, getting harder and harder. Turn out your feet for it. Lay down, sweetheart. Yeah. Your fishies are on, baby. Alright guys, it's a real talk moment. First I want to show you, Chris got the mail for me. He got home around like 7:30 and I was still up with the boys, and they usually go to bed at like 7, but we were just running super late. So Native sent me some new deodorants. I love Native, but oh, lychee and goji berry. These are the new spring scents, guys. And then gardenia and orchid. My armpits are gonna be smelling good. And fig and honey. That sounds like something I want to eat. Anyway, I marinated chicken and seasoned it and everything. And I have Brussels sprouts and potatoes. And it's 7:57 and none of that is going to happen. Chris came home and he's like, do you really want to make that kind of dinner? I'm really tired. Like, why don't we just eat cereal? And I'm like, this is why I love you. And then he also is taking like all of the cardboard boxes out of Ella's nursery so we can get started on that this weekend. It's literally just full of like Tupperware and boxes. And for those moms who this is your first baby, like your first pregnancy, enjoy every second. Go shopping all the time by yourself. Just enjoy the moments of just you two where you can sleep and enjoy every little kick, because when you have other kids and it's your second, third, or so on pregnancy, you forget you're pregnant except for when you burp up stomach acid and want to vomit every night around 9 o'clock because you're so busy. Like I love being pregnant and I think I'll definitely miss it, of course, but I miss when I was pregnant with Carter, because literally I just soaked up being pregnant constantly and just got to sleep and eat and go walk around different stores for hours at a time, but it's totally different now. Overall, I feel like today was a good day. It got a lot accomplished, but at the same time, I feel like I was like in my own world all day. I'm just so out of it. And again, I think it's just from being tired. I'm like at that stage in my pregnancy where I'm not really comfortable sleeping in any certain position, and I think that's affecting me. And I'm also just so tired of this nasty weather. We had like 2 really nice days last week, and all we did was play outside and just enjoy the fresh air, and I really, really wish that that nice weather would come back. It's just been like rainy and yucky, and I'm ready to get back outside. And to all those tired AF moms that are watching this right now, you're killing it. All you have to do is be loving to your kids and do the best that you can, and don't go to sleep feeling guilty if you have a sink full of dishes or your house is a mess. As long as you spend time with your kids, that's like what matters in life. And I just want to say that because I feel like being a new vlogger, sometimes it's hard to show the breakdowns and stuff like that because you don't necessarily run to get your camera when your kids are pretending they're a ninja and kicking you in your stomach 15 times after the bath when you're trying to get them dressed. Or when Tanner is just screaming in his crib while I'm getting Carter dressed. Like, that's the stuff that you don't always see on vlogs and things like that. But again, it happens, and life is not perfect, and just kiss your babies goodnight, tell them that you love them and how proud you are of them, and start new the next day. So I'm gonna end it here because I'm talking way too much, and I probably don't even make any sense because I'm so tired. And I'm gonna eat cereal and go to sleep.